Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Keeper Security, protect password vault step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type Keeper Security into the search bar. Click on the official Keeper Security website link. Once the site loads, locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your master password in the corresponding password field. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me option. Once you have filled in your credentials, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Keeper Security dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password, including entering your email and checking your inbox for a reset link. If you are using two-factor authentication, ensure you have your authentication app or device ready. Enter the verification code provided by your two-factor authentication app. Once completed, you will gain access to your password vault. Explore the features available for managing your password security. Make sure to log out when using a public or shared device to keep your information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.